What's the business, people? We out here. We out here. Just knocked out two. About to go knock out one more real quick. And again, we all about the money, right? And the quality in the service. Man, there's nothing better than walking away from a customer's property and knowing that you done gave it your best and it looks as good as you can get it. Um, you're only as good as your last cut, people. That's one thing you figure out real quick is that you're only as good as the last cut. So that's why everyone you try to, put your best into it and have it look like something. Somebody got somebody taking care of business of the flowers there. It's real nice. But that's what we gotta kinda focus on, especially when you do this thing, is making sure that you give the customer the quality that they're looking for. And it could. Yeah, there we go. So we're gonna scoot on over here to this next one. Again, I'm a firm believer in getting the work done, and the customers are gonna come. It's nothing like I say. You build it, they're gonna come. That's just how lawn care is. If you're out there doing the work, people are gonna find you. All that knocking on doors and taking other people's properties and putting flyers on yards that are already getting cut. Now, some places that may work. And telling you in the South, you're gonna create more enemies than friends in this business doing it that way. Most people are, they understand, especially if they cut grass, that you're out there trying to get it too. So if you're out there trying to get it and they see you trying to get it, there shouldn't be any animosity, man. Like I said, it's too much grass out here to cut to be upset because some other guy is cutting a property. You know what I'm saying? So go get your own, right? What's business, people? Got another day on here. South Louisiana. About to get some grass cut done. You know we do it. We did a little piece this morning. We're gonna try to knock out about 4. Keep it basic. You know what I'm saying? But again, we want to make sure that we're profitable when we're in these 4 yards, right? So again, it's out there and I have things. Everybody's entitled to take their own way. When I do it, I try to make sure, like I say, I hit a certain dollar amount every day, regardless the size of the yard or to what versus 5 yards of gonna be cut. So it allows me to get a little bit more quality. Maybe not the quantity that some people may be looking for, but again, to me, doing it like that, you kind of rushing through it, just like you just cutting grass on and getting out of it, and I enjoy doing it. So I enjoy taking my time and making sure the client's property is at its best. But we're not too far away from my first stop of the day, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna knock out 2 real quick, which counts for what we like to refer to in the industry as route density. They're right across the street from each other, so they're not too big yards, so they should take us too long. As if I don't get involved in the conversation. I don't mind, again, as long as you're paying attention. Some people just want somebody to talk to sometime, or you want to talk about lawn care or whatever the case may be. So you just gotta be ready and available. Still try to be productive, and that comes along with learning the yarn and whatnot. But and he's not best yet. I learned through mentorship. Guys, I have on this until I'm not doing this anymore. If you're not wrong with somebody who's already in the industry, it's
I know what you do. It's kind of like, you're the freshman in high school, and you don't know a whole lot, you don't know a whole lot of people in it. But at the same time, you want to get out there and get the job done. So that's how you got to get it taken care. You got to get your somebody in the game. And if you don't have anybody around you, you always go to YouTube. There's some good guys out there still working on getting some information from some folks. Maybe. Yeah, guys, you guys have somebody that's a lot of knowledge out there. I know these guys that I follow, that I look up to as far as mentorship, but I also have somebody here that I've been with for a while. As far as the guys, basically like an internship that we did last year, but we can get forward to get back out there with them again this year. But guess what? That's the point. So again, these skills right, quality service skill, trying to get out there and learn. Yeah, hold the camera because we're tight, perfect right now. Come hold it on. See how we do. Yeah, we're not too far from the location. That's the one thing I want to talk about. You gotta get out there and get it done as far as mentorship is concerned. It's key to your business. It's something that is my priority. It's myself is that there's somebody out there that I believe they need help. So and according to some of my there's a lot of when I'm getting started on it, a lot of the guys you see on YouTube right now, they're doing it so long, they kind of gotten away or lost touch, which is gonna happen. It's gonna happen. You're gonna kind of lose touch to where the new guy is because things have changed, stuff like that. You're in a different space and place. So we want to make sure we're identifying with people that we can relate to. And that's the biggest thing. It's just little bits and pieces of what they're doing to go back and look at the old videos, whatever. Do it that way. So, the word of the day is mentorship. Get out here and cut some brands over. It's nice out here today. That's for sure. So if you're not out cutting grass, I'm not sure what you know. But you're out short today. Today. Whatever you have, no matter what you want. No matter what you want. Just see me hold on in the curve. I'm gonna go paint. Man. Get out there and get it done. Got 2 over there that we're gonna knock out. We're working on some stuff over here too that hopefully we'll be able to share with you guys, soon. Working on some good stuff. It's just a matter of showing up. Being consistent. And that's what we're doing.
those. Toting some literature with it. So how it is. She's on. Walk on this side. Yeah, we pull up. Few things we need to do. Make sure we're far enough away from the curb, right? So we can catch the edge of the property, blow it off, clean it off, all that good stuff. Key tip, I always used to wonder that, just something simple and basic makes the appearance. Because if you pull too close to the curb, guess what's going to happen? You're not going to want to edge that because your vehicle's too close. You're not going to edge it right because you don't have enough room to edge it. So things like that. Then when you blow the grass or whatnot, a lot of times the grass winds up under your vehicle if you're a lot closer to the curb. But again, just a quick tip. But we're going to get out here and get it done. Now that we got some grease, it's time to cook. Let's go.